Okay, what's going on, all my beautiful people? It's your boy Marlon O Bennett. Guys, if you are a person who are scouring the internet, if you're on YouTube or you're Googling ways to make money online, on Facebook or wherever you are, guys, I got a tremendous opportunity that I want to introduce you guys to tonight, and I want you guys to pay special attention to it. In tonight's video, I'm going to talk about how to build a list and make money working from home, guys, even if you're brand new to internet marketing and you don't already have a product to sell, and how you can be completely set up within the next 60 seconds. This is some very explosive information, so I want you guys to ride with me for a second, and I want to show you guys exactly what it is I'm talking about. When we talk about making money online, guys, that process begins with building a list, right? When you have a list, it's like having a megaphone at Yankee Stadium, right? Now, you may be asking yourself, why would I want a megaphone at Yankee Stadium? Well, you don't have to have a megaphone at Yankee Stadium, but when you can build your own list, it's like having a megaphone at Yankee Stadium, because you can start blasting out emails for affiliate products and services, even if the list is kind of small, guys. And it doesn't have to be huge, and you can actually start making money from the list that you actually are building. Now, let me show you guys exactly what I want you guys to pay more attention to and understand in this video. I'm going to give you guys a website, right, tonight. And the more websites that you actually give away, right, you don't have to sell this to anybody, the more people you'll have out there building a list for you on autopilot. Let me move over a little bit, guys, because I'm all in my own way. Okay, so now we're talking about building a list on autopilot. And remember, guys, I said it wouldn't matter whether or not you had a product or a service. In fact, it's best that you don't have one, particularly if you're brand new to internet marketing. So what happens when you start giving away that site? I'm going to tell you what happens, guys. As you start giving away the site to other people, they start sharing it with other people too, right? And the system automatically forwards the first 5 emails of those people to you, right? So this is how you grow your list virally. That's the first point that I want you guys to focus on, because when you do that, guys, I'm going to show you what starts to happen. What starts to happen when you do this is your leads and your traffic, and in this instance, your affiliate commissions, are going to start compounding in a viral capacity, okay? And when that happens, guys, that means that you're going to be able to generate leads and traffic exponentially. You're going to be able to perpetually generate your leads and your traffic and your affiliate commissions, because the way that the system is set up, the tracking inside of the coded software, there are affiliate commissions that are built inside of this particular funnel. And when you start giving it away to people, they're going to have an option to do several things, guys. And this is I'm just giving you guys a glimpse of what you're in for. If you are a person who are internet marketer, you'll be able to integrate your autoresponder with this, but you don't need to, because this system is already set up for you. Okay, so when you start doing this, not only are you going to start growing your leads and your traffic perpetually, right, you're also going to be able to earn commissions throughout the funnel on automation based on the way that the software is set up, right? And it handles everything for you. Okay, now I just went through a glimpse of what it is, but tonight I'm going to invite you guys into the actual system. I'm going to actually hand over a page to you. Let me show you guys what that page looks like. Here is the actual page that you're going to get. This is the actual website that you're going to be able to get absolutely free. Go ahead on, give me your name and your email address, guys, if you already haven't, because you're following me on YouTube, and I'm going to take you guys inside of the system so you can see exactly how it works and how you can get started right now today, okay? So let's get going, guys. Let's get hot. I'll see you guys on the inside.